How you doing, YouTube? Just wanted to do a quick run over my guns, show them off a little bit. Thought they're pretty cool. The Tippmann A5, expansion chamber, car stock, response trigger. Haven't upgraded to the E-grip yet. Of course, the Apex, low profile, hopper, Tech T paddles. I also got the lightning rod, 98. Car stock, got forward, response trigger, don't know if you can see that, 98 with the, got the sight rail, of course the cyclone feed, I think the AK-47 stock barrel. This is my new gun I just got recently today. This is the BT ERC. I got the clip, of course electronic grip, got the folding stock, got the flashlight / laser, red dot, M16 barrel. I got the BT rip clip. Nothing like it. Love it. There's the light. Laser. Pretty cool. I like it. Right now I have it set on, I think it's ramp mode, 13 balls per second. It has 4 different settings. So there's all my guns. Pretty nice, I like them. Not gonna complain. My favorite so far, right there, BT. BT ERC. A5 is good. First gun right there. 98. Well, appreciate your time. Hopefully you'll look out for more of my videos later.